Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Today we're going to show you how to do the service light reset on this 2012 Mercedes A-Class. All we're going to need to use is down arrow there, the lower button there, which is the button to confirm. Then we're going to use the plus and minus buttons to scroll on the menus, and we just need to use the button on the dash there as well. To start with, you just turn the ignition to stage 1. First click on the key there. And repeatedly press the lower button there until you get the mileage show up on the display like that. Now if you press the little button there 3 times, you get the voltage show up on the display. Now press the lower scroll button and you get your service menu come up there. Once on the service menu, use your plus and minus buttons to start to scroll through. Scroll down. You scroll down to confirmation, and then you can confirm with the lower button there. Now you get the different options there, and you want full service, so confirm that again with the lower button. See that now, it says service confirmed. Now that we've confirmed the service, you can scroll back up with the up arrow, and if you go into service data and then use there's a button on the left there, you can just check now and see that that's reset the mileage and reset that to another year, and then you can use the upper one to go back. That's it. Now you can just turn the ignition off and it's all done. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.